My name is Pankaj Mehta. I am from C Simplify IT. Today I will tell about form validation. This is the form today I made with putting validation. I will show you. If I did not fill email and submit the form, then it give me alert message. Then email must be filled out. Then if I fill the email, that that's then submit the form, then also a alert password must be filled out. This is the validation. mm, this is the code which I use. In this I use HTML language, Bootstrap, CSS. We know CSS used for web designing page, and HTML use writing the code. In this I give two lints validation and CSS. In this I put validation, and in this CSS coding. In the form validation, first of all we make a form, rotate a division class container. It contains the whole coding of the page from here to it. This is the predefined. There is some predefined class made form role form. This is the name of my form. This is the name of my form. This is class, also a predefined class. This is the on submit. When I click on submit button, then it's give me value of return validated form. There are two type of method, post and get. I use post method there. This is also a predefined class which gave the optimum space between the form's lines. This is the heading of form which was denoted H2 and take last row. This is the in this form maintained we use grid systems, column systems. We take labels and the value which we wanted to put it. In this input time, a form control is predefined class, and the label in control level is predefined class. This is our form. I wish you see. There is a button used. We use button type submit class button dangers. It describes the color of button. It's maybe primary, success, danger drifts, red color, success green color. That's button types, button block, large, small. There is we use input type number 1, 2, 3. In this password will show dot dot dot. In this input type email at the rate is predefined. In this we use validation. I will show you there. In this form we take two email, password and age. We put validation on two email and password. First of all we take a function validate form, then we take a variable x, and take form name email. First of all you know about knowledge about JavaScript. In this JavaScript we call the function document dot get id by element get by id dot inner HTML equal to value. We take variable This is your form name, this is level, this is that value. If x equals to null empty, a message is email message be filled out, means it means alert is on. I will show you again. There will, if I did not fill the email and submit the form, alert is on, email must be filled out. Second validation we put on same there as form, password, same condition we put there. If one condition satisfy, then my form check second condition. I will show also you. For example, I fill Meta, my email ID. If I don't fill the password, form not submitted, alert also must be filled out. And I fill the password and submit the form, then form is submitted. There is no validation on age. It's I show you Nishan submit form. I will not give any URL, then submit same URL page. For the web designing we use CSS. There is a use CSS background image, which I show you that image. Then inform horizontal class background RG. Inform horizontal class, that in class in I will take a class in form, as I tell you there is form horizontal class, there is form horizontal class. There is CSS width of the page, height, margin, padding, control label in label class. We give color white of on labels. This is the label color white. Row color white, text line center left. In row we use heading color white. This is the my I do today form validation. Thank you for giving me your time. Thank you for all.